Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to make a table of contents in Word. So in order to do that, you just need to assign headings on your document. So to do that, as you can see, here is the introduction. You just need to double click it to select it, and then make sure that this is set on heading 1. And then let's scroll down, and to the body, let's select it as heading 1, and to the conclusion, let's select it as heading 1. Then the next thing that we can do is to highlight this text right here in the bottom, and it will serve as heading 2. So it's now heading 2. And then here, let's select it as heading 2 as well. As you can see, we have selected all of them. So what we need to do next is to head over here on the table of contents. And then in here, go to the references. And in there, you can see the table of contents right here. Just click that and it will load. And you can add automatic table using this. So just click on automatic table 1. And as you can see right now, the table of contents is now in here. But you can see that there's some sort of page numbers in them, but I don't have any of that yet. So what I need to do is to just click over to the insert, and then in here you can see the page number, and you can choose to format your page number by putting it at the top of your page or bottom of your page. So for me, I will put it at the bottom of my page in the middle. Let's click that, and as you can see, here's the page numbers that we have done. So now this is an accurate table of contents. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.